Beam Wallet is built to give users a private and secure way to manage their cryptocurrency. Security is the foundation of any wallet, and Beam takes this seriously. The wallet employs the Mimblewimble protocol, which ensures that transactions remain confidential, hiding both the sender and recipient while keeping amounts private. Unlike traditional blockchains, Beam doesn't store unnecessary transaction data, reducing exposure to attacks or hacks. To secure your Beam wallet, the first step is creating a strong and unique password. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords across other platforms. Once the wallet is set up, enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection. This means even if someone gains access to your password, they cannot access your funds without the second verification step. Beam also offers a recovery phrase when setting up your wallet. This phrase is critical and should be stored offline in a safe place. Losing it can mean losing access to your funds permanently. Avoid storing recovery phrases digitally or in cloud storage to minimize exposure to hackers. Keeping your wallet software updated is essential. Developers regularly release updates to patch vulnerabilities and improve security features. Running outdated versions can leave your wallet exposed to known threats. Additionally, consider using hardware wallets that support Beam when holding larger amounts of cryptocurrency. Hardware wallets store your keys offline, making them much harder for cybercriminals to access. Network security also plays a role. Always access your wallet over secure networks, avoid public Wi-Fi when transacting, and regularly monitor transactions for unusual activity. Maintaining strong personal security habits ensures that your Beam wallet remains safe. By combining these measures, Beam wallet users can confidently manage and store cryptocurrency, ensuring their funds are private, protected, and resilient against potential threats.